good amount of progress boxing in the frame rails for the T-Bird here. So long story short, this back part coming in through here is where the old cross member and pretty much whole front clip would attach. Most of it was attached all the way from this seam to here, down to here, but the most of the bottom part was rotted out, even though the car was still structurally sound because it's mainly holding here from the top. So what we did is when we added the Chevy part, we came in through the bottom and we boxed in, attaching to other parts through the bottom over here, and it's gonna eventually tomorrow, when I make the other plate, be one piece with more parts from the back. I'm also gonna 90 from here down to be able to be attached to all this fresh metal, and also that. In the front, since the whole front bottom rails, you can see how they're all rotted, we're actually gonna attach from here where there's new metal, and then this is actually channeled in. Even though it sits higher, it's actually at pretty much the same dimensions as the original one, per se. But we're also able to attach to the new metal and then put some flat, I don't know if you can see there, I'm gonna just put some flat pieces and even to here, box it in to this new frame crossmember. So it's probably gonna be the stiffest T-Bird you've seen. I don't know if you can hear some crazy ass noises of like dragging on the street. I've been building my fence from frames and shit like that. So I have like a couple of home invasions. Anyway, I wish I had a flashlight to show all that frame fabrication, but that's fine. You'll see it eventually. I put like plastic bags and then take ports and tape and have it covered here with this rag. Even though it's under this roof, I still don't want any water in it, and I did that. Trying to move here along as quick as possible to just lay the 350 in there, and we're pretty close. A couple more days of fabrication and we can move on to figuring out the steering and brakes. Start dropping that engine in there.